Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.9, Problem 22. This is Section 2.9, Problem 22. It says compute 5 2/3 reduced by 1 3/8. Well, when you say reduce, it will be a subtraction problem. And I like the vertical format of the problem, so I'll do 5 2/3 underneath 1 3/8, and I'll make it a subtraction. So now, in order to subtract numbers like this, what I have to do is find the common denominator. So I have denominators of 3 and 8, and a good common denominator would be 24. 3 divides into 24 evenly. 8 also divides into 24 evenly. So for the upper fraction, 3 times something is 24. The something must be an 8. 3 times 8 is 24. So the numerator gets multiplied times the same amount, in this case times 8. 2 times 8 is 16. Now for the lower fraction, same process. The denominator of 8 times something made of 24 must be 8 times 3. So the numerator is multiplied by the same amount. That would give us 3 times 3, which is 9. Now I have my common denominators. I can combine the numerators. I'm subtracting, so I have a 24. I have 16 minus 9 is 7. And then don't forget the whole numbers. 5 minus 1 is 4. So I have 4 and 7/24. Ask, can that be reduced? And if you look at it, it cannot be reduced. So that's the final answer, 4 and 7/24.